enough, not super view. Yeah, kita na ba lahat? Ayun, kita na rin pala.
Your smile keeps playing, your miles away.
Good morning everyone, I'm here in chatting until exit B. So we're going on a hike today. Yan, nasa exit B pa tayo. 09 ito. Ah, tara!
Dami pa ng laman eh. Bira lang kami gamit.
Chosan.
Now,
Ayan. O yan, dito. Ito yung view ng inyong pababaan. Ayan, Chokpokhang Village. Starting point. Ha?
Yeah, I would go overseas just like that. Don't overthink it. Why can't you stay? Give me the call and I'll just be there like that. I don't understand it, but you keep me together when everything I
And then,
keeps me under
makikita nyo to.
It's so overwhelming, but I will wait forever so you can come and
Here,
get it.
pavilion. So just walk here. And if you need to use toilet, then there.
Why try so much to get back? That's something you thought I had to drive me crazy, but I still want you here. So just give me the call and I'll just be there like that. I don't understand it, but you keep me together when everything around me keeps me under pressure. Yeah, it's so overwhelming, but I will wait forever so you can come and get it. I don't understand it. I don't understand. I don't understand.
So ito, pavilion again. So yung pavilion may like parang ano siya, no? Tambayan or pahingahan. Ang ganda rin ha, ang ganda tingnan. Shatan. Or kung gusto niyo mag-snacks or kumain, may exercise din yata eh. Oo nga, exercise nga. Ayan. So ito. Ha? Ang cute naman. Ayan. Exercise ng mga matatanda. Ah, oo, dyan yung ayan, ayan. Makakakita nyo dun is pwede kayong magpahinga or kumain or mag-snacks or exercise. So, walk, like turn right. And then, diretso lang yung lakad. Okay, so ito, not this way, okay? So your turn right again. Let's go. And then there's a lot of hikers here because it's a short hiking trail. So it's easy to walk with or like visit this place. Oh, let's all turn right. Okay. Say hi, ate. There you go. That's the view. Doon kami galing sa baba. At ayan, makikita mo dito. And I don't know this trail, pero a lot of hikers are going there. Ayan o, mga oldies. I don't know kung anong meron dyan. So, pero dito lang kami sa talagang punteriya namin. Ayan, dito sa right. So ito yung Shatin, the view of Shatin. Oh. Ate Glenda is there already. She walked too fast. And yeah, it's fine. A lot of hikers here. Mga matatanda, bata, you know.
Without you, it's hard, 'cause it took 5 years until I found you. Oh, I'm not gonna let you go. Oh, I'm gonna.
Foggy, like you cannot view the, I mean, hindi masyadong ano yung view, but it's fine. So andito na kami. Ito yung tuktok ng aming pupuntahan, punteriya. The only problem here is konti lang yung trees. Kumbaga kalbo siya. Kalbo. Someone is exercising there with music. Of course, tamang chill lang. Yeah. There, pwede kayo magpahinga, exercisean. So ito, hi Ate Glenda. So we're here. Oh, this is the view from the top. Oh, this is visible now. It's visible now. I think ano lang, siguro ano, depende lang sa view. Sa? Pinagpawisan lang tayo na konti. Very slight lang. Ikutin ko lang. Ikutin ko lang. Ayan. Ito yung view dito sa taas. Ikutin ko lang po para makita nyo yung paikot dito. How was it? Medyo ano siya, dim. Hindi siya ganun ka-visible, pero okay na rin. Maybe I can ano, do something kapag in-edit ko. Kapag in-edit ko na siguro, medyo okay na siguro to. Liliwanag din to. Right? Oo. Ayan. Ah! So, meron din doon palang ano. Pwede mag-picture-picture. Pwede rin doon. Pero pwede kami dito dumaan. Ang kanina na daanan namin. Pero hindi ko alam kung saan. Dito siguro baba. Tapos, ito yung pinaka-viewpoint na pag-picturean. So, ayan. Saan kaya dito dadaan? Pababa. Ikutin ko lang po para sa inyo. Ah, ito. So, ito yung daanan. Later, we're gonna go down here. Let's see. Wait. Let's see how... Oh, yeah. Okay. So, merong handle going down. And then, pwede kami doon dumaan sa ano. Pwede rin kami mag-stop by dyan or mag-drop by. So, ayan. What a nice weather though. Kaso foggy lang talaga siya. So, hindi masyado kita. Okay. Let's go back there. Ayan. Like, this is how it looks like dito sa taas. Or dito sa top ng... Oh, you can sit here and take a photo. Alam mo yun. Oh, diba? Oh, pwede rin. See? Nakikita na yung kalsada. And of course, those buildings everywhere. Hong Kong nga, diba? So, ayun. So, dito, mamaya, magpi-picture taking kami doon. So ayan. Inikot ko lang po. Hinihintay ko kung saan kami pwedeng dumaan. Oh, so you can take a picture also here. There's a spot na pwede kayo mag-take ng picture. Kaso medyo scary siya. Ayan. Later, I'm gonna show you or take a video later. So ayan lang. So parang may daanan din doon going down. Pero I think mas ano yung daan doon sa pinakita ko kanina. So ito yung antaas. Hindi ko alam kung anong hiking trail ang nandoon. Kasi there's a lot of hikers going there. And there's young, older, something like that. Yung mga bata rin, parang gano'n. But I don't know. Hindi ko alam. Then that's a hiking trail also. Anyway, there's a lot of hiking trails here in Hong Kong. Any part of Hong Kong. Basta marunong kayo mag-Google Map. Kayang-kaya niyang puntahan lahat. Ayun. So, it's so foggy. Yep. Let's use this super view para kita lahat talaga. Ayan. So, take a look here. Oops. Ayan yung view. So be careful of course. Provide view. Dito na ako dadaan. Dito na. So Ate Glenda is there. Oh, you can do some exercise here. Ayun, may instructions on how to do it. Let's try. Ano ba? So dito kami dadaan. Ay, may super view kaya kata. Mano? Hindi, pag ganyan oh. Wala. Hindi nga nakalimutan ko pa. Yung full boot tapos t-shirt, extra. Nandito lang windbreaker. Uy.